Okay, guys, so in this lesson, number 6.7, it said write a function that draws a straight line in the terminal. So, this underscore will draw straight lines, right? So, we just have to loop through and do this. But it now says that where n is the number of times the character will be printed, okay? The line should end with a new line, right? And if n is 0 or less, the function should only print new line. Okay, so we are going to say that n has to be greater than 0, okay, for that to happen. Okay, so basically let's just get the file name, then we'll copy this guy, then we'll go here. Let me clear my then we'll go by this sys print line.c, right? Enter. Okay, then we'll include main.h. Then, so what is the name of that stuff? I think print line. So print underscore print line. Okay, to draw a straight line on terminal. Okay, sorry, my print is not correct. Let me try and correct it. Why is this thing hanging? Okay, do we have any input? I think n, right? So at n input, should we have a return type? Why is it not? It's not auto giving me. So let's leave that like that. And then I think it doesn't have what's it called? Okay, you can have that. So just copy the prototype. Prototype copied. Okay, so because we have to use a particular just one loop, right? So let me just declare entire and let's use a for loop. Alright, as for is easy as fuck. Okay, so this one now will say I a I is equals to 0, initialize that, and then I is greater than or equal to, or I is less than n rather. Okay, I is less than n because 0 is less than n, right? And then we'll say I plus plus. Okay, so then normally, and then we'll have our if statement. So if so let me just format this guy well. Okay, so if yes, right, so if our n is, so I is less than whatever is here. Okay, if our n is greater than 0, okay, that is when you should print a new line. Underscore put char. So new line, will be this underscore this, right? And then if not, you should underscore put char new line. Okay, so what we're doing is we need to print, where is it, the new line only if with the value of n, right? So if n is, for example, if n is 7, 7 is greater than 0, right? Then it will print n, right? If n is greater than 0, that's when you should print this new line. And then you say this place is 0 as long as 0 is less than n. Okay, so as long as 0 is less than n, you should print, and then continuously like that. So let me see if we are missing anything. So yeah, okay, so it will start from 0. So for this one now, if you have 2, so if that I put 1 here, I would have said less than or equal to n. Okay, so this place is 0, and it means that 0 2 is a number, right? So it will start from 1. So if this place is 2, 0 is less than 2, so it will print, it will first go, it will print this new line, right? It will come again, it will become 1, it will print it, but 2 is not less than 2, so it will stop there. So it will print it twice. Okay, so that's just the basic idea. I don't know if you can see my cursor because on terminal it doesn't show. So anyway, I hope you understand. Okay, so ls and let's Betty the file. Okay, so Betty say we are good. So let us vi our main.h and put the prototype in it. Right. Okay, so let us vi our tester. Sys main.c. Copy. Here sys main.c, right? And then paste this guy. Save it. Okay. So let us compare and see if you get an error, because checker is having an issue right now, so or it's not working right now till close to deadline. Okay, so let me clear. So it means 6 lines, right? So we have this 1 2 space. Okay, so and that is what we have, 1 2 space. Okay, so what else? I think we're done. So I don't want 6 line and 6 main dot c, so I want Git to ignore it. And 6 main dot c, right? And then Git add Git commit print lines to terminal, and then Git push. As my push pressed, good. Okay, so let's check. I'm not sure if the last one has even checked. Still checking. So we're going to check this one, and once we check, if we have any error, I'm going to add it to the video. So if you're not seeing any error now, correct. If you're not seeing any correction now, it means that it has checked. So yeah, see you guys.